Would you like to get a smooth surface on the hull of your wooden boat? I'll show you how I made these planks disappear. I started work on the top sides by caulking the seams with caulking cotton very tight into the seams. Then I filled it with linseed putty. This is the perfect product for this job. It's basically linseed oil and talc. It's a beautiful material to work with, and a 20 kilo tub costs about $35. I'll show you how I did that. So to make the plank seams disappear, I put putty in and I leave it proud of the surface so that it can be sanded back smooth. There is a couple of different ways you can do this, by either pushing the putty in really hard and letting the cotton push it back out, or you can just smear over it. It'll cost you a little bit more.